Too many butters look interchangeable. Start with Kerrygold Salted for versatile everyday flavor. Switch for baking, milder taste, premium serving, or bulk value. Choose by flavor, recipe, format, and volume. For everyday finishing, choose Kerrygold Salted Butter. Buy it if you want one widely available option for toast, noodles, simple sauces, and general cooking. Its buttery, grassy character stays noticeable, while the workable texture suits frequent use. But that savory personality is stronger than a typical supermarket stick. Skip it if you prefer very mild butter or need exact control over salt and baking. For flavorful baking, pick Kerrygold Unsalted Butter. It suits cakes, shortbread, and pie dough where you want the butter itself to register. Because it's unsalted, you set the recipe's salt level instead of working around the butter. The trade-off is its lightly grassy, savory edge, which can appear in delicate sweets. Pie dough can also turn out somewhat sturdier. Skip it when you want other flavors to dominate. For a special occasion spread, choose Isigny Mère Salted Butter. Buy it when butter is part of the presentation, whether that's a bread course or a simple pasta finish. Its cultured tang and savory depth make the serving feel more distinctive. You're paying more than you would for an everyday staple, and coarse salt crystals vary between bites. Skip it if assertive cultured flavor isn't your thing. For elegant desserts, go with Isigny Mère Unsalted Butter. It's suited to shortbread, galettes, and occasion baking where cultured tang adds another layer. The deep dairy flavor keeps straightforward pastries from tasting plain. But this is a premium choice for routine baking, especially if you work in large batches. Its subtle savory finish also won't complement every dessert. Skip it if low cost or neutral flavor matters more. For a milder table butter, pick Finlandia Imported Salted Butter Bar. Buy it if your household wants a smooth, lightly salted option for toast, vegetables, and ordinary cooking. Its restrained profile supports whatever you're serving instead of becoming the main event. That same restraint can seem weak in very simple dishes, and it coats noodles more lightly than bolder butter. Skip it if you want an assertive finishing spread or a butter-led pasta sauce. For classic pie crust, choose Finlandia Imported Unsalted Butter Bar. It fits pies, tarts, and shortbread when you want crisp, flaky results with sweet cream and nutty notes. The flavor is recognizably buttery without leaning heavily into cultured tang. However, that toasted nut sweetness will remain noticeable in the finished bake. The bar format may also slow cooks who frequently measure from wrapped sticks. Skip it if you need completely neutral butter. For bold sourdough pairing, consider Kirkland Signature Grass-Fed Butter Salted. It's for Costco shoppers who enjoy an intense grassy, nutty, savory profile with sturdy bread or simple dishes. This isn't trying to disappear into the background, but it can be stubborn straight from the refrigerator, and the hay-like character will divide households. There's also no unsalted counterpart for baking. Skip it if you want mild flavor, easy cold spreading, or a matching baking option. For bulk baking, choose Kirkland Signature Butter Unsalted. Buy it when cookies, cupcakes, and shortbread consume enough butter to make value the priority. It delivers dependable everyday baking without the cost of premium options. The 4-pound pack needs storage and enough projects to justify it. Its flavor and color are subdued, while pie crust may turn tighter and more crumbly. Skip it if you want a luxurious table spread or especially open pastry layers. For flaky pastry, pick Vital Farms Unsalted Butter. It suits pie-focused bakers chasing distinct layers and richer butter presence. Individually wrapped sticks simplify portioning. That convenience also works well for laminated-style pastry. The dense consistency may require more bowl scraping during creaming, and it costs more than bulk butter. Its pasture-forward character is noticeable, too. Skip it if your priority is the cheapest option for frequent batch baking or a very mild flavor. Kerrygold Salted is for finishing. Kerrygold Unsalted handles baking. Isigny Salted suits special spreads, while Isigny Unsalted fits elegant desserts. Finlandia Salted is mild table butter. Finlandia Unsalted suits pie crust. Kirkland grass-fed pairs with sourdough. Kirkland Unsalted handles bulk baking. Vital Farms is for flaky pastry. Before buying, decide salted or unsalted, bold or mild, bar or sticks, and whether a bulk pack fits your storage and baking pace. Start with Kerrygold Salted if you need one versatile, everyday butter. Switch by recipe: unsalted for baking, cultured for standout flavor, mild for the table, bulk for volume, or pastry-focused for layers. Then add a butter dish for serving. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.